First of all, good people, it feels like a Friday where I am, and second, I am traveling tomorrow. I've been trying to export something from my machine and I've just been like, God, please let it just finish faster, because you know what, my mind is already set to my packing. Like, I just need to go and pack. Like, who doesn't love traveling, good people? Who doesn't love traveling? Like, I love traveling so much, and the good thing about it is that I'll be able to carry my camera with me, which I haven't touched in I think a week. Yeah, I've not touched this camera for over a week now because I've not been shooting content for Fitness Friday. So yeah, so anyway, that aside, so I've been thinking, I don't know what exactly I'm going to pack, but there's an idea that came to me because every time I get to travel, I usually overpack. Like, I carry so many unnecessary things. So maybe this time round, I'm going to theme my travel. Like, I think I'll be doing either blue. No, I'll do blue and white. Yes, I'll be doing blue and white. When I say blue, I mean jean stuff. So that way, it will also help me when it comes to packing. I want to pack so many unnecessary things. Yeah. I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than worse. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, I need love me. I don't know if it's only me who've been going through such things, but I don't know. I've just, the last 2 weeks, I've been so down. And can you imagine, like, even this trip, I was so psyched up for it, and it got to a point I wasn't as psyched up. Then I told my friend, because you're traveling with some of my friends, so I told Jackie, okay, these are the ones that I'm going with. I'm not putting them here, like packing them already. I'm just putting them aside, like, see if, yeah, I told you it's blue and white, so I'm going to wear a lot of jeans there. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. Like, I've been so down, so really down. And yes, I even told Jackie that I was really down because she called me and was asking me, have you packed? I was like, no, not yet. And we were so psyched up for this trip. Like, especially me, I was so psyched up. Like, we've been planning for it for quite some time. And the reason why I've been down is because sometimes when I'm doing things and I feel like they're not going as I planned, or maybe as I thought they were going to go, so it just gets into my head and it kills me, good people. It kills me. Like, I don't know, but I'm glad that finally today somehow I'm having the energy. By the way, we're going for 5 days, so I hope I'm going to pack things that are enough for 5 days and not overpack as usual. I'm just putting all the blue things aside. So that was me. Like, I've been really feeling low. Then I was sick at some point. But finally, we are going for this holiday and we're going to have mad fun. This is me packing now almost every blue thing that I have. I thought like theming it was going to make it less, you know, hectic. Okay. Hey, madam. Wait. Angie's calling me, by the way, good people. Let me talk to Angie. I'm done packing. The only thing that I haven't packed is, of course, my laptop, my cameras, tripod, all these other things, like these two little gadgets that I'm going to use there. And I've done here, let me just show you quickly. Of course, jeans, that's how it's looking. This is everything that I'll need for the entire time. And then the swimming costumes are here. I'm carrying 6 swimming costumes. Of course, this side I've done all this. I've put all this stuff. There's this in. I need to put my glasses. I need to put my makeup in. I've only carried 1 pair of like heels, and then the rest are flat shoes, which are like 3 pairs, and then plus what I'll be wearing. I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than worse. Good morning, great people. So this is what has happened. Like, I'm in a hurry. The cab is down there and I need to leave. Like, did I say good morning? Good morning to you, good people. So I'm going to get my stuff, like the gadgets. That is the only thing I need to pack. And I'm in a hurry. That's why I'm sounding like that. But that's my outfit. I don't know if you can see well, but that's my outfit for the day. Yes. So let me take you to this side. Imagine I need to carry all this. This is the final packing, by the way. So all this I need to go, of course, with the camera and the gimbal. Finally, I mean, like, I was struggling with it too. I didn't want to carry the box, so at least it can fit here and my camera will be right here. And yes, I'm good to go, and I don't want these people to leave me. So guys, see you at the train station. Wait, yes. Focus camera, yes, there. See you at the train station.
Feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone.
What's up, good people? There's just so much that has happened. We are at Windsor Airport and we were not supposed to be here. But I'll give you all the information when we get to our final destination. I'm only here with Beryl. Say hi to Beryl. Hi. Yes. So Jackie and the rest are on SGR right now, but just a lot of things happened. So right now we are at Windsor Airport. The waiting area. Yes, you can see people. Hope you can see that. And we're trying to keep our social distance as well. And it's been crazy morning, like very dramatic. So our flight will be leaving at 12:10. We have to book it today, like a few minutes ago. In fact, we were booking it when we were coming to the airport. Like, it's been just crazy like that. But I'm glad we are here and we're going to make it to Jackie's birthday. Yes. See you when we are leaving. So I think the best thing I can do now is to explain to you guys why we are here. So we went to the SGR train station, and when we got there, the guards are telling us we got there a few minutes to train leaving, and we saw Jackie and my niece and nephew going in, and the rest of us were like just following them. And then when we got there, we were told, like, you know what, guys, you're so late, don't even hurry up, like, just go back. Even the dogs are not here to search you, so just go. And then we were like, we are with them, we are with them, we are with them. And then funny enough, the guy just said, you are not going in, so just go back. So we stood there with Beryl and we were just looking at the way. We were looking at our suitcases. Funny enough, Jackie went with Beryl's bag, and then Beryl had Jackie's bag. The train left when we were just standing there, like we could hear that bell, you know, ring, and they left when we were standing there. We thought that, okay, the best thing we can do is call the person who organized for the trip. That's our travel agent. So we called the chick, and thank you so much for Trippy Go Tours. Yes, I think that's the name. It's Trippy Go Tours. Thank you so much for helping us and saving our day. So yeah, so we called them, and then they checked online, and boom, we were somewhere close to JKI. So we're like, we are close to JKI, check somewhere that is close to JKI so that we can come. I don't know if this story is gonna take too long, but anyway, that's how we got our flight for 12:10. And now guess who made it to the cockpit? I did it. Oh, and then I have Masla. I'm happy to be here, and we are landing now.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now.
To Diani, thank you very much to my two amazing pilots, and I felt like a pilot today. Like, I've never been here before, but I felt like a pilot today, and we are now in Diani. Which airport is this? Diani. Yeah, this is Diani Airport, and I think you can say bye too.
Bye.
I want to be you when I grow up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for allowing me to be here.
Thank you.
Thanks. We made it.
Welcome.
Thank you. Like we've gone through so much, but we've made it here and we are now checking in. It's a beautiful place from what I've seen, so I'll take you through like the entire place. But I'm really loving it, like of course the usual juice. And then the Diani is not as hot as I thought it was going to be because it's a bit cool. Like the weather is really good. And I'm happy to be here. Beryl is there checking. First things first. Yes, food is big.
The silence fades.
Lunch in Diani.
Fish ni tamu.
We've been so stressed, oh my goodness. The entire
I started eating and I got nauseated, so.
And then we have our passion juice.
Samaki ni tamu. Samaki ni tamu.
Breakfast was inside a cab rushing to the airport. Lunch is right here next to the ocean.
Time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
This is our room. Myself and Beryl. Yeah, that's Beryl right there. We are sharing a room with Beryl. And that's her bed. My bed is this one. Yeah. So my bed is this one right here. And the place is so beautiful. I think guys I'll take you through is it room tour? Yes, I'll take you around, not now. So you just need to shower, like arrange my stuff. So Beryl's bag is still not here. The bag is with Jackie, which we are waiting for Jackie and the rest to get here. So yeah, good people. Let me take you to the bathroom, and there's a big mirror which I like, by the way. So I'll do a room tour. Wait, let me close
I will
this.
wait for you people.
There we go. So everything that I was arranging is this side, so you can see that focus camera. Jesus, that's everything that I need, or just what I need. There we go. I have, of course, this stuff that you're seeing right now, and these ones, when you're coming, Berry thought they were actually alcohol, but it's water. The packaging is really good though. Focus camera, what the hell is wrong with you? Yeah, that's everything is set. So let me see. From here we are going to go to the beach, but I think I've set, like I did set my laptop, and I'm going to transfer some of the files and leave them here as we go to the beach. Maybe do a little bit of swimming and then see how the rest of the day is going to go. But Jackie and the rest are all here. Came here, I was supposed to, I don't know, we were supposed to swim, and then we decided to, yes, like go to the bar, visit the bar area instead changing, we're going to another place, so you guys will see me later. Bye.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?
Good people, I forgot about you, but I'm very sorry, and I have to say see you tomorrow or another time on my next video.